Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make care tags for iron-on garments using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. I have designed 3 different styles that I will be sharing on my website for you to download. Look for the link in the video description down below. I will teach you how to add your information to these templates, and I will also show you how to make your own. I'm going to start working with the design, but before, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. I will start designing a new card, and after this, I will show you how to modify the ones from my website. Let's go to Shapes, insert a square, click on the lock. Let's change the measurements to 3.065 by 6.75. Go to Operations and change the color to white or the color of your choice. Now here we're going to insert the text using the font of your choice. I am using Africa, Arial, About Love, and Madiba. I'm going to leave these links in the video description down below. I have an example here, so I'm going to just type these instructions on the new one. Now on this one, I'm going to change the font, and I'm going to use the one that is called Madiba. And I'm going to place it on the top. Now here on line space, I'm going to reduce the line space so it's a little closer. Now I'm going to start typing the instructions. I'm going to use one that is called Africa. This one. Make it smaller so it fits here in the rectangle. Now I'm going to go to text again, and for this one I'm going to use the font that is called About Love. You can use your own list of instructions. I'm going to leave room over here for the business information. Over here we can leave it like this, or we can cut a little hole over here so we can put a ribbon. That's optional. Now I'm going to change color on the top and bottom. Now here, let's place the business information. For that one, I'm going to use a very simple font. You can type your phone number, your website, your Facebook, etc. And you can leave it like this, or you may add more details if you wish. I'm going to add some flowers. I'm going to upload. I have this flower over here. I know it's blue, but don't worry. We're going to change the color on this one. Go to Operation, and instead of Print and Cut, click on Basic. Now go to the color and pick the color of your choice. Make it smaller and you can place it wherever you wish. If you'd like to use this little flower, I'm going to leave you the link in the video description down below. I downloaded from Creative Fabrica and I think it's free. Now that is done, we just select all and click on Flatten. And here is the tag. Now, if you wish to make a hole on the top, go to Shapes, insert a circle, make it smaller, like 3/4 of an inch. Put it on top. To make sure it's centered, go to Shapes, insert a square, make it bigger and send it to the back. Now here we can center the circle. Now select, go to Align and center horizontally and click on Attach. And here it is. Now for this design, you can print and cut 3 in the same page. Now I'm going to show you how to modify the ones that you are going to download from my website. Download the template to your computer and insert it to the Canva. This is how it's going to look. First, we're going to erase the website down below, insert a square, click on the lock, and make it bigger. Now place it on top of the website, select both layers, and click on Slice. Here is the card ready to print. If you wish, you may add your business information on the bottom. Now you can print it like this if you wish. You can print 3 in the same page, or you can still add more details. I'm going to add some flowers just like we did on the first one. Now when you finish with the design, select all and click on Flatten. This one is very easy to print. Just change the measurements and you can print 6 in the same page. It doesn't have much room for business information, but I think it's cute. On the last one, you may add your information using the curve feature. You can put it on the top or on the bottom. Now that it's ready, do not forget to select all the layers and click on Flatten. I like to cut a small circle on the top so I can place a ribbon. Go to Shapes, insert a circle, make it smaller, put it on top, select both layers, align, and click on Attach. Here we have the 3 different designs. You can pick the one that you like the most. Now I'm going to show you how to print them and cut. For the first one, we can print 3 on the same page. Align them together, select all, and make sure the group measures no more than 9.25 by 6.75 and click on attach. Now it's ready to print. We're going to do the same with the rest. Just remember that they have different measurements. On the second ones, we can print 6 on the same page. And on the third one, I will print 4 on the same page. The measurements for this one will be 3.5 inches. If you wish to print 6 on the same page, change the measurements to 3 inches. Remember to attach each group if you wish them to print in the same page. Now let's go make it. Continue. Send to printer. Select the printer you're going to use. Remove the bleed since we're not going to use it for this project. And select Use System Dialog and click on Print. Now here, select the printer again, click on Preferences. I'm going to select photo paper. I'm going to select matte photo paper. If you're using gloss, select glossy paper. On quality, select high and make sure it's on letter size. Now click OK and print. For this project, you may use printable cardstock. This is 110 pounds and is matte. Also, you can use cardstock with glitter for inject and photo paper. This photo paper is glossy. And here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. We can select photo paper if we are using photo paper or cardstock if we are using cardstock. And here we have the beautiful washing instructions tags for iron-on t-shirts or garments. Now you can pick the ones that you like the most. Also, you may decorate them with a ribbon if you wish. Don't forget to check for the links in the video description down below, so you can download the templates and check out the products and fonts used in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.